Hello, what's up everybody, Boy here, back with another tutorial video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download cool fonts for free. So this is the website from where you can download any type of font, awesome fonts, cool fonts. As you can see, there are a lot of options like cartoon, comic, groovy, old school, curly, western, and other stuff. So basically I will download a font called Price Down. I will put the link in the description. Here is it. This font is used in Grand Theft Auto 5, the game, you know, and in other GTA series. This font was used in the GTA games. Okay, so you can download it, but I have already downloaded it. Here is it. So today I will also show you how to add these fonts in Photoshop. So all you have to do is click on this, then click on install, then just wait until it finishes. After that, you can just exit and you can turn on your Photoshop. So let me turn on my Photoshop. And now you just have to open a new file, then set it to anything. I will set it to 1080 by 1920 by 1080. Then just click on this text bar and text tool. Then you have to just write Price Down. So this, as you can see, so just let me change the color of the font. It's a little bit greenish. Okay, grand, as you can see. I will turn this color to red. Okay, so here is it. And you can as you can see, you can type. So that was the end of today's video. Subscribe my channel right now, like this video. If you want more tutorial, comment that I want more tutorials, and I subscribe. Goodbye. And